In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a magazine cover in Canva. Whether you're designing a cover for a school project, a club event, or even a personal project, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward, engaging way. First, let's dive into the world of Canva. So, you're at your Canva dashboard, and the first thing you want to do is click on that search bar right at the top. When it opens up, type magazine cover, and you'll see a list of template options pop up in just a few seconds. This search feature is invaluable because it narrows down thousands of templates to those specifically designed for magazine covers, saving you heaps of time and making sure you're starting on the right track. Once you've browsed around and seen the options available, it's time to choose your preferred template. Now, this is where you can let your creative flair shine. Are you going for something more modern and minimalistic? Or perhaps you want a design that's bold and colorful? Carefully browse through the templates until a design speaks to you. Click on it, and this template will be the foundation of your magazine cover. The next step is to click on Customize this template. This is the fun part, where you get to add your personal touch to the design. When you select this option, you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you're not just limited to the existing elements on the template. You can modify the text, adjust the layout, and even change the colors to match your theme or brand. If your magazine is focusing on a specific topic, make sure to align your font style and images to capture the essence of your content. Don't rush through this stage. Spend time tweaking and experimenting with different elements. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts and colors, so don't hesitate to try different combinations until you're satisfied with the result. An important tip here: make sure your text is clear and readable. Remember that your title should stand out and be easily identifiable, as it might be the first thing readers notice. Now, let's talk about adding images. Upload your own if you have them, or choose from Canva's extensive library. Just make sure any image you choose adds value to the cover and reflects the theme of your magazine. Once you're satisfied with your design, take a moment to look it over and ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Finally, when everything looks just right, you're ready to download your masterpiece. Click Share at the top right corner, choose Download, select your preferred format, and voila! You've just created a professional-looking magazine cover in Canva. So, to recap, you've searched for a magazine cover, picked a template, customized it to suit your style, added the perfect finishing touches, and downloaded your file. With Canva, creating a stunning magazine cover is not only possible, but as you've seen, very user-friendly. Enjoy your creation. Enjoy your